This is the Lenovo S500Z. This is my first YouTube video, so please excuse the lighting, the sound, and all the other mistakes I make. We are going to upgrade the memory on this today, and the reason why I'm doing it is because I did a search online and was not able to find any kind of instructional on how to upgrade the memory on this unit. So I'll go ahead and unpack it, and then we'll get started. Okay, so I've got the unit opened. First thing you want to do is make sure that it's unplugged, so there's no power going through it. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. And you want to try and put something that's going to protect the bezel from being damaged when you put it down on the table. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and some kind of plastic pry. A metal one may damage the bezel, so be careful with that. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to take off the mount, and it's just a screw that comes out. Put that aside. And there's two screws on the bezel here and here, and what we're going to do is that's going to click. If you turn it counterclockwise, it will click and it opens up, and if we click here, it opens up, and then we use that to open up the rest of the unit. And there we go. So what we're doing today is just the memory, and there's a little flap here that you just open, and there's where you can add the memory. If you're removing memory, you could take out the memory module that's in there, but today we're just adding memory. Just make sure the keys line up. Goes in, pushes in, and that's it. Put the plate back on. Start from the top, might be easier to get this in, and then work your way around. There we go, it's all done. I will post the part number for the memory and the unit, but this was 4 gig and now it's 8 gig. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you found it helpful.